now our second topic is on the industries. So we have some industries like we can see here cotton industry is there. Now we can discuss about jute industries, woolen industry, silk industry, basic chemical and allied industry, fertilizer industry, cement, iron steel, engineering, and thermal atomic power plant and major seaport. So today's we are going to first of all start one topic over cotton industry. Okay, cotton textile industry are generally basically cotton textile industry the oldest and the largest organized modern industry of India and manufacturing and center Maharashtra. Mumbai is largest center for cotton industry like Nagpur, Amravati, Wardha, Jalgaon and Aurangabad, Pune, Satara are some regions where the cotton industry is there. Okay, so first of all, cotton industry is in Mumbai. Like Mumbai is the largest center for the cotton industry. Then Gujarat, there's Ahmedabad, and second largest center after Mumbai. Madhya Pradesh, there is Bhopal and Devas, Ujjain, Ratlam, Gwalior. Tamil Nadu, there is the Coimbatore. Okay, this Coimbatore, Tuticorin, and Chennai and Salem, Tiruchirappalli are some. West Bengal, there is a Kolkata, Havra, Serampur. Uttar Pradesh, there is Kanpur, Lucknow, and Varanasi. Rajasthan, there is Jaipur and Pali. Then Karnataka is Bengaluru and Mathur, Mysore, Mangalore. Odisha, there is Cuttack. Okay. Then Punjab, there is Amritsar area, and Telangana there is Hyderabad and Sikandarabad, and Andhra Pradesh there is Udaigiri. That is the basically important industries of cotton basic industries. Now we are going to discuss something about the jute based industries. Okay. Now we are going to discuss some jute based industries. Yeah. So jute based industries are not that much in India, but still they are very prominent in our development because first large scale industry established 1855 Rishra, and that is near Serampur, West Bengal. Then this industry suffered a great setback because of partition. Then 80% of jute producing area were went to Bangladesh, and almost all the jute mills remained in India. Okay, so West Bengal there is the Kolkata and Havra and Rishra and Titagarh, and mainly both bank of Hooghly River. Andhra Pradesh, there it is some kind of industry like Visakhapatnam, Aluru, Guntur. We can see here. Okay, and Ongole. Uttar Pradesh, there is Kanpur and Gorakhpur and Shahjamanabad, and Bihar, there is Darbhanga, Gaya, and Chhattisgarh, there is Raigad. These are some jute industries in the India. Now we are going to discuss about the woolen based industry. So woolen based industries, as we can see here in this mapping, woolen based industries are basically Kanpur 1876. This was started from Kanpur, and oldest textile industry is one of the, and there is a Srinagar, Kullu, and Amritsar, and in Rajasthan Bikaner, Jodhpur, Ajmer, Byawar. In Gujarat Jamnagar, Vadodara. In we can say in Maharashtra there is Jalgaon and Mumbai, and in Karnataka Bellary and Bengaluru, and Tamil Nadu Salem, Chennai, and Kolkata, and in UP Kanpur, Allahabad, Varanasi, Mirzapur, and Modi Nagar, and in Jammu, like in Himachal, Kullu and Srinagar are some kind of like jute based industries. Now we are going to discuss some industries based on the silk and silk and synthetic fiber. So silk and synthetic fiber based industries are basically Srinagar and Jammu, then Amritsar in Punjab, then Dehradun in Uttarakhand, Modi Nagar in Haryana, and Delhi also, Ajmer in Rajasthan, Biring Nagar, and Virangam and Indore is in MP, and Bhagalpur in Bihar, then Murshidabad in West Bengal. Then we can discuss Chennai and Kedambaram and Padakapattu, Coimbatore and Attu Salem. This is in Tamil Nadu. Then there is Gokak and Dharmavaram, Shidgat and Bangalore and Mysore. And now there is Ahmedabad and Vadodara, Surat and Nasik and Mumbai, then Kalyan, Pune and Satara in Maharashtra. These are some jute based industries. Now we are going to discuss about basic chemical industry. Basic chemical and allied industries are like here we can discuss here now. These are some kind of industries which are like sulfuric acid based, soda ash based, caustic soda, calcium carbide, petrochemical, plastic and pharmaceutical and pesticide, dye, stuff, paint and varnish and ceramics are there. So Amritsar, Rishikesh, Delhi, Khetri, Debari and Kota, that is in Rajasthan, and Amritsar in Punjab, Rishikesh in Uttarakhand, and Kanpur, Naini, Varanasi, Firozpur, and Shikolabad, that is in UP. Then Baruni in Bihar, and there is some like Durgapur, Titagarh, Calcutta, Rishira, Howrah, that was in Bihar. Now Fulbani and Royogunda, that is Uttar like Odisha. Goa is also there, and Belagavi, Karnataka, Mattur, Madras, Puducherry, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Madurai, that areas in southern India in Tamil Nadu. Lakshadweep also, and Cochin and Trivandrum in Kerala, and MP Jabalpur, Bhopal, and in Gujarat, Bhavnagar, Ahmedabad, and Baroda, and Dargodra, Nagpur, Pune, and Mumbai. Some industries are there. We should have some like a brief idea about all that, because if there is a question over industries, then we can give like, if I'm talking about like alkali based industries, alkali is basically widely manufactured for paper, textile, soap, and detergent, and alumina, that is in Gujarat, Maharashtra, and West Bengal. Then soda ash manufacture center is like limestone, mainly used in manufacturing of soap, paper, textile, glass, detergent. So soda is used in that. So that is in Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, and Punjab and Tamil Nadu. Then acids are like sulfuric acid, like for fertilizer, plastic paints and dye stuff. So sulfuric acid ho gaya. And again, other than nitric acid, there's bulk of production of fertilizers. So Rajasthan, Hindustan Zinc, Debari, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand, Kerala is there. Then organic chemical like petrochemical industries are there for raw material based derived from petrochemical sources. So that are in Trombay, Mumbai, Koyali, and Vadodara, and some like Chennai, Thane, and Bogaigaon are some kind of areas where petrochemical based industries are. Now we are discussing about fertilizer industry. So fertilizer are generally manufacturing center is Punjab, that is Nangal, Batinda, Haryana, Panipat, Uttar Pradesh, Gorakhpur, Mathura, Kanpur, Varanasi. Bihar is like Baroni, Jharkhand is like Sindri, first public sector plan Giridih. West Bengal is like Haldia and Durgapur. And like Odisha is like Talchar, Chhattisgarh is like Belari and Korba. Okay, and Telangana there is Kottaguddam and Ramagundam, Tamil Nadu Chennai, Ennore, Neyveli, Tuticorin, Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram and Cochin and Travancore, Maharashtra is Trame and Thane, and Assam is Namrup, and Gujarat is Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Kallol, and Delhi is Andhra Pradesh and Vishakhapatnam. These industrial and manufacturing center are basically for the fertilizer sector. Now aluminium industry, we are discussing now aluminium industry. Okay, aluminium industries are basically important in India because Aluminium Company Limited, Aluminium Corporation of India, Muri in Jharkhand, that is aluminium based industry, Allupuram in Kerala, Bellur in Karnataka, Hirakud in Odisha, Hindustan Aluminium Corporation Limited, and Renukut in UP. Now Bharat Aluminium Company Balco, Korba in Chhattisgarh, Ratnagiri in Maharashtra, National Aluminium Company Nalco, and Madras Aluminium Company Malco. Copper smelting center are there in Rajasthan, Khetri complex in Junjunu, and Dariba a copper project in Alwar, and Chandmari in Junjunu. Madhya Pradesh is famous like Malani Khanjunk Junk copper project located in Balaghat district, and Jharkhand Indian Copper Complex, and Maharashtra is Taloja. So these are some copper complex. Now we are discussing some cement based industries. So cement based industries are basically important to construction work and for the road and road development and all that. So there is a Jammu Kashmir, Buyan, Now Haryana, there is Chakri Dadri in Haryana. Rajasthan is Savai Madhopur and Lakheri, Chittorgarh, Udaipur, Bundi. Gujarat is there. There is Bhavnagar, Sikka, Dwarka, Porbandar. Uttar Pradesh Chund, Dalam, Churk. Bihar is Dalmi Nagar and Japla. Jharkhand is Ranchi and Chebasa and Sidri. Madhya Pradesh is Satna. Chhattisgarh is Durg and Jamul. Madhya Pradesh is Satna and Kimor. And Telangana is Karimnagar. Telangana is Karimnagar in Telangana. Andhra Pradesh, there is Andhra Pradesh is Karimnagar and Krishna. Vijayawada. Tamil Nadu, there is the Sankara Durg and Dalmiapuram. Kerala is Koyattam and Natakam and Sri Villapattur. These names are very difficult to be learned, but still some core idea we should have, not that much but little. Karnataka is Balaghat and Bhadravati. Maharashtra is Mumbai and Kolhapur and Ratnagiri. And now iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry work upon steel was first manufactured by modern method like Kulti in West Bengal. Okay. Now Indian Iron and Steel Company ISCO was there. Bengal Iron Company was there, and it was set up in 1990. 1919. So iron and steel industry is also there. That was in Kulti, West Bengal, and there was Hirapur. Hirapur produced pig iron. Kulti is making steel. Burnpur is a steel rolling mill. Okay, and these companies are nationalized in 1972. So these was some industry. Durgapur steel plant was there. Jharkhand Tata Iron and Steel Company Tisco in Jharkhand. Bokaro steel plant, that is in again Jharkhand. Odisha, there is Rourkela steel plant that is established by Germany. But Tisco was there. Always iron and steel plant in Jharkhand. And Bokaro was established with the collaboration of Soviet USSR. And Rourkela steel plant, that was in Odisha, collaboration with Germany. Daitarai steel plant was also in Odisha. Paradip port is there. Gopalpur steel work are also in Bhubaneswar. And Chhattisgarh, there is a Billari. Billari is in collaboration with the Russia. Karnataka is there is Vishwareya and Iron and Steel Steel Limited, that is located Bhadravati, Shimoga district. Only integrated iron and steel plant located outside the iron coal of region of India. Vijayanagar steel plant located in the Bellary district. And Andhra Pradesh, there is Visakhapatnam Vijag steel plant. First shore based steel plant, that is policy of industrial decentralization from Vijag. Kotha Guddam is generally like UNDP in Andhra Pradesh, that was steel plant also there. Telangana and Tamil Nadu, there is Salem steel plant in Tamil Nadu, and Durgapura steel plant was there, and that was established in collaboration with UK. So these some kind of like facts we should have in our mind. Now engineering. So engineering industries are generally important, and important centers are given here. We can see in this map, this Kapurthala, Patiala, Kanpur, Lucknow, Varanasi, Billai, Koraput, Visakhapatnam, Durgapur, and Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Cochin, Goa, Mumbai, Nasik. So locomotive industry, aircraft industry, shipbuilding industry, all are there. And like Burdwan district, West Bengal, the Chitrangan locomotive. Varanasi, UP, the diesel locomotive. Patiala, Punjab, diesel component are used there. Bengaluru, a wheel and axle plant. Jamshedpur is Tata engineering and locomotive. Perampur is Tamil Nadu integrated coach factory. Kapurthala in Punjab rail coach factory. Billai in Chhattisgarh rail and sleeper. Durgapur in West Bengal wheel tire and axle are some kind of industries. Okay. Now aircraft industry are in Bengaluru, Karnataka. The first aircraft industry in the Bengaluru. And like Uttar Pradesh is there, also aircraft industry, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra and Karnataka. Shipbuilding industry are in Kolkata, the Gordon Rich Work Shipyard. Visakhapatnam, Hindustan Shipyard. Cochin Shipyard. Mumbai, Majgaon Dock, and Goa Shipyard. That was the shipbuilding industry. Okay, now electronic machinery and equipment making industries. That industries are like Uttaranchal, Haridwar, Uttar Pradesh, Jagdishpur, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tamil Nadu, Ranipat, Karnataka, Bengaluru. Other industries are Kolkata, West Bengal, Mumbai, Maharashtra, Chennai, Coimbatore, Bengaluru, and Sonipat and Patiala. Machine tool industries are in Bengaluru and Hindustan Machine Tool, located largest manufacturing of machine tool, Pinjore, Haryana, Kala Masari, Kerala, Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, and Ajmer and Srinagar. Now, thermal power based industries was in Jammu Kashmir, Kalakot. Jammu Kashmir, there is Kalakot. Then Punjab, there is Bathinda and Roopnagar. Haryana, there is Faridabad, Panipat, Yamunanagar. Rajasthan, Kota and Palana, Banswara, Savai Madhopur, Anta. Then Gujarat, in Gujarat there is Duvaram, Gandhi Nagar and Kawas. Uttar Pradesh there is Obra, Rihand and Haldwani and Dadri. Now Bihar there is Baroni, Jharkhand there is Bokaro and West Bengal there is Farakka and Kolkata, Titagarh and Mushirabad. Madhya Pradesh there is Korba and Satpura Odisha. Odisha there is Talcher, Maharashtra there is Trambe and Telangana there is Ramagundam, Kothagundam and Tamil Nadu there is Neyveli, Mattur, Tuticorin, Ennore and Andhra Pradesh there is Vijayawada and Nellore. These are some thermal power based industry. Now atomic power based industry, that is Tarapur. Tarapur is in Maharashtra. So Tarapur in Maharashtra, Tarapur Atomic Power Station, first nuclear power station of India, started in 1989, provides electricity to Gujarat and Maharashtra. Now Rawat Bata in Rajasthan, the Rajasthan Atomic Power Station, natural uranium used there and supply electricity to Rajasthan. Kallapakkam in the Tamil Nadu, under the Madras Atomic Power Station, electricity to provide Chennai. Narora in the Uttar Pradesh, and that is the Narora Atomic Power Station, provide electricity to Uttar Pradesh and Delhi. Kakrapar in the Gujarat, and the Kakrapar Atomic Power Station, Kega in Karnataka. Kega is the atomic power station in Karnataka. Okay, now major seaports we are going to discuss. Yeah, these are thermal power industry we can see here, like this is the Ennore, Kallapakkam, you can see here. Okay, this is the Tuticorin, Ennore, Vishakhapatnam and Trambe. Now here's Kega, there is Yamunanagar, Kalakot and there is Rawatbata, there is Kolkata, Mushidabad, Baroni in Bihar. Now Amarkantak is there, some small one is also there and big one also there. So these all are. Nellore is there, Faridabad, Panipat, Samai Madhopur. So small and big. Ennore, Kallapakkam, Neyveli in Tamil Nadu. So these kind of thermal atomic power plants are there in India. So now we are going to discuss major ports in the India. Major ports in the Indias are like Kolkata, Haldia, Paradip, Vishakhapatnam, Chennai, Tuticorin, Cochin, Murmagaon, New Mangalore, and Mumbai and Nhava Sheva. So Kolkata is in West Bengal, Haldia also West Bengal, Odisha is Paradip, Vishakhapatnam is in Andhra Pradesh, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu, Cochin in Kerala, Murmagaon in Karnataka. New Mangalore is also there, and Mumbai in Shokia in Mumbai. So these were some major seaport in India. Murmagaon in Goa actually. Okay. Now hope you enjoyed this lecture. This was little bulky, but still that will give some kind of views in your mind that yeah, these kind of industries are there in India, and we can even discuss some locations of the industry. That's why.